He likes shake. Oh my gosh. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. That's so funny. Oh no, you dropped it. Go get your straw. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I'm thinking if I open it, he'll stick his head in there. He's gonna take my whole cup with him. How do I get in there? Oh my gosh. He's funny. He straight stole my shake. Look at that. Right? Oh, I want to open it for him. Yeah, look at that. He's eating the plastic open. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh. What you got on your paw? Oh my gosh. He's straight ripping a hole in that thing. I know, I'm watching him put his head in there. Oh, where are you going? It's okay. He's like, my shake. Get away. Oh my goodness. Go, now your head will fit. Go, go.
Come on, get in there.
He's good too. He holds it up and. Wow. There he goes. That's funny. Success. He just got his head in there. Oh my gosh, he's funny.
Just chill it.
Yeah. No, he's just he's licking it up. I can see his cheeks moving from here. And you can see his little belly. You can see his little stomach, like he's swallowing it. Look at it, look at it. He's got the shake mustache. Oh my goodness. Insane. Yeah. Oh, you have nuts? You have nuts? Oh. Yeah, he is. He's crazy. See ya. Yummy.